have to take the extra stops out of our trip, but everyone is okay with meeting a little later, so we are still gonna go. We just switched the schedule around a little bit, so we're gonna go see Dalton Lovejoy first. Yeah, I'm sure you guys have seen his truck in my other videos. It was at the hospital booth at Sema last year. It's that big green patina Dodge hood stack. It's sick. That's for sale, by the way. So we're going to his shop, see him and his girlfriend Maddie. We're gonna check out the current build that he's working on for Sema of this year. Yeah, just kind of catch up with them a little bit, get some footage of that. Then we're gonna roll to High Octane Coffee, and then we're gonna roll to pick up the Sema build.
They bought the neighbor's house. They're gonna rent that out.
They're just like, let's buy one.
Yeah.
So dad literally.
Yeah.
I don't know. He was like
driving with that. Oh my god.
He was like, I'm gonna buy you a U-Haul trailer because you know that might be better. But they were like $400 for a U-Haul trailer. So, you want to tell the camera a little bit about your build for this year for Sema?
It's a 63 GMC panel van. It's a 10.5 version, so it's 3 foot longer than factory. The only thing we pretty much used was the body. We're not using nothing else. It's got full custom CNC framing. It's got 24 valve Cummins. Automatic, so it's easy to drive. We're going to do 07 Super Duty Axle 100. We're going to do intercodes, we're going to do coilovers. It's going to be like more of a survival rig. Just something comfortable to drive.
A little bit.
There's a lot of work, but we're going to do nothing like it.
I can tell you some other details that are going into the build for Sema.
You didn't get that?
No, she's way over there.
Well, it's going to have the whole inside, the whole bottom side is going to be all bolt liner. Place in Cleveland's going to do for me. They're sponsoring me. It's going to have a fold down bed. It's going to have a water tank. It's going to have tents on top. It's going to have lights all the way around. It's going to have a refrigerator. It's going to be like something you can drive in the desert. Yeah.
That's cool.
Something you can hop in and drive it down the desert. You can stay for 3 days. You'll be alright. It's going to have AC. It's going to have heat roll.
That's awesome. That's so good.
I still haven't decided if I want to do steering yet. I was going to do full hydro, but it's pretty illegal.
Yeah.
I have one of my company seats up like this somebody.
Yeah.
So I got to figure it out this week. But I don't know yet. This is about right, I thought. It's a little lower than my Dodge. It's outside your escort. Come off the frame. It's going to pitch back so it'll go down at an angle that way. Just to make it look like more of like a rally truck.
Yeah, that's kind of cool.
That's awesome. It's just hard because of how the wheelbase is as long as the whole body. You know, so you got this big overhang in the back, so I think it's going to make the arms look a little short, but it'll lay out nice. Those intercodes are going to knock it out of the water just like everything else.
For sure. Throw loggers on anything.
What?
Throw loggers on anything.
Gonna be like that blue with they're gonna like get an airbrush to look like patina and that.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the frame dipped, so it's all gonna be gloss black. And I'm gonna drill and tap all the overlays on it, so they'll all be stainless steel nuts and bolts. And then I'm gonna have an airbrush guy come in. He's gonna airbrush everything, so it's gonna look just like this from the top to the bottom. I want to make my shocks look like they're leaking oil, you know, just full 9 yards.
That's so cool. You have way more to do than me before Sema.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Let's hope we find somebody out here in the boonies.
Oh my gosh.
It's hard finding people that'll help you with stuff like this. I mean, not even just sponsor you, just that know how to do it out where we are, you know what I mean?
Yeah, for sure.
You gotta drive at least an hour and a half, 2 hours
And
anyway.
it will like be not completely booked up for months.
Right,
to do
right.
it. Know that there's like a serious time crunch.
I can't try anything anymore. But it's got everything inside. I bought a 99 furnace and everything. But it'll be pretty nice, you know, I'm gonna cut a hole in the roof. That way we can get from in here up to the tent on top.
That's so cool.
I'll have a little ladder to
Originally to sell this one, but Dalton said it's connected to his builds.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try and sell the Dodge, but
Yeah,
if
we'll
that
let that
doesn't
one go.
fall through.
Yeah.
The goal is after we sell one of them to buy a house this year.
Yeah, there you go.
house with a bigger shop.
And dog, maybe.
Oh my gosh, yes. I love the Georgia plate on it.
Yeah, it used to be a military shop.
Really?
Yeah, it was in a military.
That makes
and then
sense, I guess.
some painters, I mean, that's what I would assume, because the whole inside's covered in paint, seen them without the back windows.
Okay.
Yeah, 'cause-
Maybe that's why it looks just completely different.
On the regular ones, like the Suburbans where they got the back windows, this wheel well is like right here, and then the whole thing ends right here. So it's a lot shorter.
It's got a nice big canvas wheel.
It's like the Escalade SD
Yeah.
of these bricks.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
But like all my logos, I'm gonna cut out actual, like their logos on the metal, and they're gonna bolt to my cage.
That's gonna be
So it's not gonna be stickers.
yeah. That'd be so cool. All of the extra.
Yeah. Just the little touches is gonna make
Yeah,
it.
that's awesome.
You missed your Escalade?
I haven't really had a chance to miss it yet.
Yeah.
It's been like, everything's been non-stop, so sit down and go, "Oh, I miss it." I did cry when I sold it, the day. Like I sat in the hotel parking lot and cried.
Is that right?
Yeah, just a little bit.
I mean, I would do the same thing, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
I'll probably cry over my Dodge sales.
And that's like, you have way more blood, sweat, and tears than that. Escalade is just like,
Yeah, but it's still yours, you still make memories. And
Yeah,
that's the part
exactly.
that I hate getting rid of, is the memories.
yeah, for sure.
Somebody else gets to go enjoy all your hard work. That's,
Yeah.
that's the only hard part I have.
Yeah.
That's all.
His Jeep, and then the like
I got a
milk
step
truck,
van,
that
like an old
creepy
bread
one.
truck. It's small, it's super small. But I'm gonna slam it on the ground, put Cummins in it. We're gonna sell t-shirts out of it.
It was
That
very
would be cool, I'm not
And
even
we've
gonna
got
lie.
my Jeep, so there's
That is cool.
like
Yeah, I'm
more.
excited to see that Jeep for sure. Do you have it here?
It's over at our house. It's like 2 minutes down the road though.
And she's like not laughing, I'm dying laughing. She's like, no. She's like, you're not keeping it forever, you're gonna sell it. I'm like,
You're not gonna keep this one either?
I wonder.
This one's gonna look pretty neat.
This one's gonna be like more like something I would actually like, I feel
Yeah.
like, and have fun in. So
What-
I'll probably want to keep it.
I look at it as you gotta at least keep one for advertisement.
That is the truth. Yeah.
I mean, you're gonna have the whole thing sprayed in liner like you're gonna be able to do at your shop.
Yeah.
You know, Heartland is right down the road from you.
Right. So it's like it's advertisement for
Yeah.
everyone.
It's like a rolling billboard.
Yeah.
I mean, you at least gotta keep
For
one. What axles are you gonna run under your Jeep?
I don't know yet. What do you recommend?
Super Duty axles.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
They're real common to find. You can get them cheap, and you can go to any parts store and get a part for it.
Yeah.
If the bearing goes bad or nothing, you know what I mean? And
Yeah.
like 06 to 15 are pretty much the same thing except the brake calipers. We got.
I figured you'd be like, no, not really.
I set it up a 1/4 inch all the way down, so you got to go piece by piece, bend it, make sure it's 1/4 inch, make sure it's square, then tack it.
Yeah.
You probably have 1.5 to 2 minutes in each one, and by the time you take the clamps off and put it on the next one, it takes forever. And then getting it square.
I mean, it looks like
Yeah.
it takes forever, but that's what's cool about it because not everyone has it.
Right.
Where are the lights at?
He's started to show you up in the garage. Oh, it's beautiful.
I love it. Is that like the standard thing?
Factory, yeah.
Oh my gosh, I've never seen that before.
It's cool.
That is so cool.
See this thing right here?
Yeah.
It's called an electric eye. It senses the light from the other car and turns your high beams down. Factory.
And what year is it?
55.
We
use
use
that
that nowadays with friggin' LEDs.
Literally.
It's cool. It's different. My dad's in the lower cars and old stuff. I'm in the old fiberglass. The whole thing tilts up. Motor's in the back.
That's awesome.
This is little brothers though.
It's the most dangerous thing to drive.
Yeah.
Your feet are touching when you're trying.
There's more grapes
Yeah,
over here.
they bought the 10 acres over there, so we're planting vines all up there. Everything's all stocked with fish.
It's so funny watching.
Same.
I freaking love it.
If somebody walks into that though, they're gonna get hurt.
Really?
That grill is all true spikes. Those things are not, they don't bend.
Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, for sure.
Let's hope they don't hit it. That is cool.
I should have been to jail today. Oh my gosh, get the inside.
And this isn't even like that's so fun. I'm like that.
Oh my gosh, I love the color in your. That is badass.
It's all blacked out.
I love it.
We actually added, if you look, it's a little different, but this one rolls down into the window. And we actually added these fairings back here where it brings the window inside.
That's cool.
Just different.
Yeah. Yeah, I feel like it makes the body look completely different.
I gotta show you Amanda's shoe room. It's a little dirty.
This is like what I'm going for, but I'm not, you know, it's just not happening. This is like, mine's empty.
So that
we're gonna
one
do a
over
big
there is
mirror.
going to be 3 high.
Yeah.
That is
the
so
mirror.
legit.
No, she ordered a big one that goes across the whole wall.
Well, she said above that
She
there's
loves
going to be
shoes.
another shoe.
Does she actually like wear all those? Like she's a heel person?
Oh, yeah. And she's itty bitty,
Interesting.
like, shorter
Oh my
than you.
gosh. That's so cute.
Well, thank you guys for showing us around.
No problem. Thanks for stopping by.
So it was super nice to stop by and see Maddie and Dalton in their home state because I only ever see them at truck shows, and it was super awesome they showed us around. I cannot wait for that Sema build, guys. You want to follow that on their Instagram every step of the way. I'm trying to talk them into doing a YouTube channel. They're like, we've thought about it. I'm like, you totally should. Siri's talking to me because they would have some awesome content. It's just crazy what they build. So I would love to see that, but I can't wait to see it all come together. We are off to our next stop, so that's gonna be the next video. So if the next video is uploaded already, you guys find that and watch it.